Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Jennie with this jump look and dress to impress. Okay guys, for the hairstyles, you can choose this one and then you're going to remove the bangs and make it black. And then the next one, you're going to put on this hairstyle, make it black as well. For the first selection and also the second selection, and put on the sunglasses. This is from the VIP room, and then you're going to make it above head, and then you're going to make it this color, and then put on this t-shirt. You're going to remove the pattern and then you're going to make it black, and then put on this necklace and you're going to select queen and then make it this color. Oops, you can make it this color, and then you're going to do adjustment. You can follow my adjustment for the position, rotate, and scale. Alright, and then the next one, I'm going to go to the dressing room, and from this dressing room, I'm going to choose this boots, and then you're going to make it black for all the selection. Then you're going to put on this skirt. For the skirt, just leave it like that, and then let's move to the next area. I'm going to put on this item, this one, and then we're going to make it white and then make it thick. Okay, done. And I'm going to move to the VIP room and put on this belt. You're going to make it black for the first selection, and for the next selection, just leave it like that. And I'm going to put on this item. We're going to remove the fur and make it toggle 2. Then we're going to make it black. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to recreate Jennie with this jump look and dress to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!